Troy! Oh yeah, Troy! Oh yeah, Troy! Oh yeah, Troy! Oh yeah! What's up? What's up, Yellow Group? We got chili cheese dogs up in here. Look at this. Fucking dynamite, boys. But anyway, we got some fucking chugging to do, boys. I'm gonna do that, but first I'm getting shit-faced, you know what I'm saying? Monster Assault, gonna get fucking shit-faced, that's gonna get me wrecked. Whatever that is. Old Milwaukee's Ice. Fucking Moosehead. I was gonna say Ice House, but no, that's Eric the Beast. Shout out to you, you fucking bastard. You fucking cocksucker. I don't give a fuck, man. Got some tunes going here. If you fucking are if you know anything about music, you know what this fucking song is, eh? Oh yeah! What up, singer? Go with this first, eh, boys? Moosehead. I feel like I've been assaulted in the ass. Rugby. That's how you do it, rugby, right? What's up, Andy Corp? This stuff rules. I got the Iron Maiden, eh? This one's gonna get me shit-faced there, and then I'm gonna go out there and get me some fish, boys. The East Coast, eh? Bit of foam in there. Well, cheers, guys. I'm gonna go and get my grub on, like Yellow Group said. Shout out to Storm Rising. What's up, Yellow Group? Cheers. Rugby, of course. Oh yeah, Tanner. Fucking Tanner. Fucking. Yeah. Cheers, guys. That was a good one. Shout out also to Dirt Nap. Dirt Nap. Peace out. See you on the flip side, y'all group.